I start in the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Hello listeners and dear students, I hope you are enjoying good health. You are watching my channel Learn English with Qamar. Thank you for watching, and today with another exciting video on vowel sounds. So we are studying diphthongs, vowel sounds, and today's sound is a. It's very important sound if you want to improve your pronunciation. A. So let's come towards today's video, and we will start our video with vowel chart. So as in every video I gave you the description and introduction of vowel chart, what vowel chart is and what vowel chart has the importance to improve your pronunciation. Again, you can see it is vowel chart. A very simple and brief introduction has been done already in my previous videos. So it's a picture of our tongue, its front part of our tongue, its central part of our tongue, and its back part of our tongue. So these all 12 monophthongs sounds produced from different 9 points in our tongue, in our oral cavity. If you want to see that introduction, you can see introduction of vowel chart, introduction of vowel sound in this playlist. Okay, today's sound is a. Today's sound is this mid vowel a, half open, and schwa sound a. The combination of these two sounds, a, front vowel, and then middle vowel, central vowel, a. So okay, next we can see in examples through words and example through sentences. First of all, lips position. You can see in this picture a, as in ka. R is not silent here because we pronounce it care, care. So a is producing a sound. So as I told you earlier, a sound and then a sound, schwa sound. The a is front vowel and schwa is middle vowel sound, a. So front position of the lips is like that, a, a. Start with the vowel a as in pat, with the lips spread and at the front of the tongue a little bit lifted in the front of the mouth. Then the tongue relaxed back into the neutral a, schwa sound position, and the lips become floppy and loose. A, 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 a. So this way you can practice and you can pronounce this sound a, as in care, as in care. And I'm going to tell you another rule of R. So R followed by a vowel letter will be pronounced, otherwise it will be silent. Okay, examples in words, you can see and you can revise them. A, I, and R. These three letters are producing a sound, as repair, fairy, despair, flare, mare, and pair. A before R. R से पहले जब भी A आएगा तो ये a sound देगा, जैसे precarious, scarcely, vicarious, nefarious, care. A R E मिलकर तीन जो लेटर हैं वो a sound दे रहे हैं. Scarce, square, careless, compare, beware, and glare. Okay, now examples in sentences. Key focus on these bold letters. These are producing a sound. Please take care of our hire, but beware, he can be unbearable. I compared my questionnaire with Claire's and fell into despair, as I became aware that my questionnaire was rather bare. I cannot dare nor be able to bear an affair with a married man. I cannot dare nor be able to bear an affair with a married man. I like to wear my hair groomed with care. I am prepared to swear that the mayor rarely shed a hair. Take care, these chairs have had their fair share of wear and tear. So in this way, you can practice, you can pronounce, and you can improve. First of all, you could pay attention towards the bold letters and then go ahead. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please keep sharing and watching my videos. Thank you very much.